Hello guys, I am Megah the Rhythm Lord and welcome to episode 2 of the Megah Mix class. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, kindly subscribe to the channel. Please like, share, because they are going to be amazing, very amazing and interesting content which I'll be uploading on this same channel. So kindly subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, because there are tips which you are going to learn. Today we'll be looking at introduction to the flstudio. Majority of you already use flstudio, and then you are used already to the basics as well as the introduction. But for the sake of beginners, we'll look at introduction to the flstudio. We'll just pick a little part, important ones, like the one, this particular bar displayed on the screen. I won't talk of all, because when you move your mouse pointer, the names will be displayed, so you will know. But for their importance, as time gets on, you will get to know. So today we will look at 4 of very important of them. The others are also equally important as well. The first one is the playlist. Now we will look at the playlist. We will look at a little bit of it, what the use is, and then we'll also look at the piano roll. That's the next one. We'll look at the piano roll, and then after the piano roll, we'll also look at the channel rack. That's the next one, which the mouse pointer is pointing out right now. So we'll look at the channel rack. Then we'll look at the mixer. That is the mixer over there. Then after the mixer, we'll look at the fourth one, which is the browser. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We're looking at these 4. So the other ones also, as time goes on, moves on, we'll be looking at them and then how they are being applied. So let's look at this 4. The first one with the mouse pointer is pointing on right now is the playlist. This particular region is where the beat is being arranged. The main purpose of this particular place is arrangement of beat in bars, or whatever way you choose to arrange it, but in bars. And then the next one is the piano roll. You can see a keyboard layout over there. All the notes you play with an instrument, they appear here on the piano roll. Yeah, so this is the piano roll. So after the piano roll, what's next? The third one is the channel rack. Yeah, so that is the channel rack. Every instrument you choose to play, you play it on the channel rack. That's the purpose and the use of the channel rack. So the channel rack, this is how the channel rack looks like. Okay, so after the channel rack, the following one is the mixer. Here is where the mix magics and everything is being done, you know. Over here, mastering, mixing and mastering of your beats. Over here, it all is being done to hear this particular sound you want to hear. Maybe it's a mixer that can give you that sound. And the following one is the browser. The browser or plugin picker. Over here, all your presets, your files, your drums, instrument, keyboard, and all, they are located here. In case that particular region is lost on the screen, just once you can't find it, just click on the browser icon and it will return back. So thank you very much. Hello guys, this is Megah Beat, and thank you very much for watching. I think my contact information are below the screen. Kindly like, share, subscribe for more interesting updates.